Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, whichever time you're streaming. Right, so you're welcome to the first market review for the month of November. All right, so I'm not going to waste so much time today. So we'll just go straight into the chat. At least before 9:30, we should be done. And I'm very serious. Okay, so I believe everybody can hear me. Okay, so let's just go straight to the chat. All right, so if you're using a free mode or a low quality mode, ensure that you have corrected it and is in a high quality. All right, I'm very exhausted, so we'll just not do much anyway. So just want to show you guys what has been happening so far and what we are looking out for. So last week Sunday, when we had our market review, so CHFJPY was one of the pairs that we looked into. Yeah. So and you can see it's been buying. I gave you guys two entries, right? If you can remember, I gave you guys the day trading entry and the swing trading entry, right? In which the day trading entry smashed on it smashed that same day on Monday. Sorry. All right. So we have a general outlook of where the market, we expect the market to get to, which is there basically. All right. That is what we're actually looking out for. Then look at where the market has actually got into. Now, why do we think the market actually dropped down to this point? It's because of a psychological level that is where in this place, in this zone here. So I told you guys that when markets come to this zone like this, it's definitely going to react. I told you guys that if you look at this first box here, market did what? Reacted in this place. Now here's another box we have here. A market did what? Reacted here. So is it going to drop for itself or is going to continue buying? It's going to continue buying. So for those of us that missed it, we're going to get an entry. We're going to see how we're going to enter the market to continue buying up to this place. This is our target zone. Okay. All right, I just saw something now. Vicky said we are the FS Media family. We, the FS Media family, are just blessed. Wow, that's amazing. Yes, we are blessed. Glory be to God. So back to the chat. All right. Like I said, we've been buying this market. So let's look for entries to get in. If you're a newbie joining this class, ensure that you learn Forex the right way. All right. If you don't understand anything, it doesn't mean that Forex is hard. It's not hard. It's just that you are still new to trading. And if you have not gotten into trading well, ensure you go through the right route so that you not suffer. We are talking about real money. So you not start losing money first. You can start making money at the beginning. Yes, when you have the right knowledge. Don't mind those people that will tell you have to lose for 2 years or 3 years before you start making money. It doesn't work like that. The year I learned Forex, that's the year I became a Forex millionaire. Everybody knows that story. I have proof to back all those things up. I have my results. I have all the withdrawals, everything to back it up. And I not borrow money from anybody. All right. So we have a trend that's up in this place. Let's look into it. It's a temporal sell. So you see the importance of trading, doing top-down analysis is that it gives you an idea, not just an idea, it gives you a full knowledge of the direction of the market, irrespective of any trend you see in the lower time frame. Imagine you're just trading in a lower time frame. So let's go to 30 minutes. Now, obviously, what you're seeing here, we'll call it downtrend, isn't it? We'll call this chart downtrend. You may, okay, let's look at something now. We have these positions to do what? To have been respected, right? Here and here. So you believe that since market reacted here and here, you have two touches. So whenever market comes back, it's going to react. It's with you. You sold when it, and look at the sell. Now you think market is going to continue that direction of sell because of you've seen the market as is a downtrend. No, this is not a downtrend. This is a pullback. So the market is in an uptrend. If you go to a higher time frame, see it right here, and it's doing a correction of this. Definitely, it's going to fill it up. It's going to fill it up. So let's go back. So we go to 1 hour time frame to plot what we have, the temporal cells that we have there, and see where market is likely going to react from. So this zone is an important zone from where the higher time frame of 4 hours. As you can see, it is a zone that was taken out, retested, created a new high, and dumped inside here. The market is still in an uptrend. So let's continue our trend line that we have. Do you see? Are we saying that? I believe we are saying it. Before market came to this zone, we had our trend line around here, right? And now we pulled it up. Look at where it is. So you see what I'm showing you guys. Uptrend. You see overall movement of the market. So look at where market is now. Some sellers now who want to now sell, and by the time you sell, market will buy. You not be asking funny question like, is there anybody that is inside the market that when I'm selling, the person is buying, or when I'm buying, because the person is selling? No, it is you when no sabi trade. You have to learn very well. So back to 1 hour time frame. We, like I said, we had we had a temporal pullback, right? The lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low, down to this zone. All right. And let's not forget this. This place. These are a very respected zone where markets actually continue a buy, right? The market continue a buy. Beautiful. So market pulling back to this place, aligning with horizontal support and slanted trend line. What do you expect market is going to do? So let's look at the kind of candlesticks that are formed around this zone. So we had markets rejected twice here, rejected here, and now this is like another rejection. Come and sit down here. We do analysis. You want to join live there when you are seeing live thing here. No worry, your face not to show. That's the look screen. My guy is here. Okay, so like I said, we had, let me get my distance so you can be very understandable for us. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Market rejected here, rejected here, is rejected here, and is what? Rejecting here as well. Before market close, right? It closed in this candlestick, bearish for 30 minutes. But we go to, let's go back to daily candle and see what it closed with. It closed with a bearish, okay? That is an inverted head, inverted hammer. So we go back to 1 hour, we fall back to 15 minutes or 30 minutes. No top-down analysis has to do with we go front, we go back, we go front, we go back. All right. So what do you think market is going to do? What do you think market is going to do? If you shine your eyes very well and you've been trading, you know that market has created a double bottom here on our trend line that is here on an horizontal support zone. What do you think market is going to do? Market is going to buy. Yeah, market is going to buy. All right, so let's look at something. This is a continuation pattern. If you look very well, it's a continuation pattern. It's a continuation pattern. No, I'm not going into details because it's not a paid class. This is a free class. So it's not everything that I put into details. Just use your brain. And if you're not understanding, you're going to the academy for your own good. All right. So I said we have a double bottom here, in which market has broken out of this trend line. That is this. Let me show you. I said this entire place like this is a continuation pattern. All right. It's a what? Continuation pattern. So if you don't know it, I have told you what to do. So the market is very easy to analyze, just for you to open your eyes. So then we have a market what break out of this place and market closed there in a bearish. 15 minutes we have bearish engulfing, 30 minutes we have inverted hammer. So higher time frame we had what inverted hammer as well. So what does that tell us? It tells us that market is going to sell first before picking up the buy. All right. So as usual, what do? We wait for market to settle during Asian section, and if we have our entry in London session, we execute our buy trade. Okay. Yeah, we don't just rush into the market. We allow the market to breathe, like our president said, let it pour, breathe. Don't suffocate yourself. All right. So where are we entering the market from? You keep your eyes open. Those of us in the founder trade, keep your eyes open. I drop setups on the founder traders book. I can drop entries, but the idea is what? When I drop setup, is because most of the people in founder traders book are what they know Forex. Okay, so if I don't call a trade and you know that market is ready, you can take your trade. You don't just depend. The idea of a founder trader is not for you to depend solely on the signals. It's for you to be educated from the setups I drop and one or two things I may say on the group, and you to take your own trades. Okay, it's not for you to just be waiting on my own trade. All right. So I can drop setup, I can drop entries as per SL, TP1, TP2, that's our parameters. Okay. So if we're having markets to be here, like I said, market is going to temporarily sell. Since we are swing trading, we will have our L sell in a very good position. For day traders, you can take advantage of this. If you're risking, let me see where market makers may likely drag market based on our strategy. All right. So for day traders, you can take advantage of this. Is just 36.9 pips. You can buy temporarily, but you wait for market to open. When you wait for market to open, ensure that your last confirmation is your candlestick. So if you're having buy candlesticks in your support zones, then you're good to go. You take your buys. So if I see the entries I drop in the 400 traders group, quite amazing how the setups and markets we analyzed last week. I overslept, and by the time I woke up, most of them done the fire. It's not that JP, but I done the fire they put. But we thank the Lord. Anyway, we found our entries and we still enter. Thank God we are holding trades as well. Okay, so as I said, you said you will stop teaching. You stop teaching Forex next. I believe you meant next year. Wow, which 92? Wow, that's fast. The last time I saw you guys here, I saw 36. I was like, where are these people? They don't want to make money. This is November in a brand new month. By the way, happy new month to everyone once again. In a brand new month. Yeah. So have you made your target? Have you applied the things that the kind of money you want to make this month? Or maybe you are not yet making money. Have you written the stuff that you need to do for you to acquire that money? You understand? So it's very important. By the time you've written those things down, or you have something that you have written down, you follow them. Action speaks louder than voice. Never forget that. It speaks what? Louder than voice. Testimony. How many funded accounts have I given you? Testimony or Saherume. All right. If you have not gotten a funded account, you know what to do. If you have not registered, use the promo code FSPedia28. How to go about your registration. I dropped new videos already. I have not posted it on YouTube. So you can go to Instagram, posted there, or on YouTube too, you can go there. Yeah, I'm going to make the post tonight. You can go there and see things for yourself. Get an account for yourself. You see, I hope you guys took advantage of the discounts. It may not come back again. And you see, initially, you just need to be happy that you have someone like FS Media. Before TENTRADE increased their price of accounts, before TENTRADE increased their price, I told the people that already know me then that get your account now, that price will not remain the same. I remember saying that price will not remain the same. And now I'm going to say it again. Price have increased, right? And I'm telling you right now that it's not going to remain there. What do I mean by it's not going to remain there? It's going to skyrocket again, but we don't know when. But is it? Yeah. So whatever you're doing, you do it fast. If you're trading traditionally, fine, good for you. If you want to purchase an account, fine. But remember how I taught you guys how to do it. If you're starting out with a prop account, no problem. But ensure that when you make profits, you withdraw the money, okay, to grow your equity, your main account. You understand? Grow your equity. You don't stop profits in your prop account. I told you guys that, right? Okay. So there's account for everybody, for every category. If you're doing 10K, 30K, 1K. Are you kidding me? Test I never give you. That's weird. Okay. Have you bought an account before? So back to the charts. This, like I said, this is for day traders. We have 78.5 pips. So the overall place we are looking at for is to grab what? How many pips? Hold on. 815.1 pips. That is the overall this is we're looking out for. Okay, you're still gonna buy here. Now I said something that now we're gonna know what the United States election, the effect of it in the forex market. Right? All right. What do you think about it? A brief summary, if you know something about it, how it's gonna affect the market. Before I say one or two about that, you can drop it in the chat section while we continue our analysis. What do you know about it? What do you think is going to be the effect on the forex market, the effect of the US election on the forex market. But it's very important. Fundamental controls your technicals. If you don't know that, know it today. Not like you analyze, finish, you won't buy. Fundamental kind of set. Okay, so I think we are good with CHF JPY. So we continue our JPY analysis. One of the pairs that have made me money in this life. I don't actually one of the pairs. It's the number one pair that made me money in this life. Okay, so we have our GPP JPY. We'll continue the analysis. We swing trading this, right? We took our entry from here. I thought I'm doing mine like this. As far I imagine that people are saying that I'm doing mine. I don't know. I'm going to use mouse. All right, so we had market breakout of here, came down with this, push up, created a new high. Now you can see amazing stuff. There is no reason why this market should dump here. Okay, but let me check very well. Let me check well. There's no reason why this market should dump in this place. As in to dump like this for this sell. But no problem. There is a cheat, a secret in being profitable. The strategy that you don't need a trend of the market. Yes, but I'm not going to teach that yet. It's exclusive for VIP mentorship. I'm not going to teach that yet. It doesn't require trend of the market. Your own is they're just looking for one thing, and it happens back to back. You don't pack money. I'm not going to teach that yet. Don't bother begging me. It's not every time I'll release out. Okay. So I said next I'm not going to be teaching for us, right? I don't have that question. Yeah, I said I was going to be traveling up and down. I'm not joking. If you think I'm joking, I'm not joking. Yeah, I've spent about 2 years of my life teaching people, empowering people, thousands of people across the world. I think that I have tried. So maybe it's time to take a break. Is it a break or a permanent break? I'm not joking about this. Some of you are just, I'm not joking. But I never say like I'm gonna stop trading. Yeah. Not actually stop trading. Sorry, I made a mistake. I'm not. I was going to stop teaching. Yeah, me stop trading here. I trade, I die. She didn't want me. Die here. All right. So back to the chart. All right. So we had markets come to retest this. So this place. Do you know what market just did? It leads me to the part of explaining the advantage of swing trading. Now here is it. You can see that we had our entry here, right? We analyze this market and it bought to our direction. I'll go to lower time frame so we can see clearly. Single commodity. All right, so this is what I was referring to, right? So I said market was what? We bought this market up to this point, right? No, hold on, it's not this one. Okay, it was this, yes, it was this one where this market created this flag, right? I told you guys it was going to break out, and that's what actually happened, right? You saw that market bought up to this place and came back. Now, I said something about usefulness of swing trading. So imagine that this place that you took your trade, you have turned it to swing trade. Now, guess what? You've been taken out by this thing. You can see you've been taken out. Look at where market got. Where were you taken out with this red candle? After being in profit, you're taken out. But if you are swing trading, you have an account where you swing trade. Look, advantage. No matter, see the thing about swing trading is you derive your SL from higher time frame. Swing trading, is very fantastic. If you know how to do it, everybody knows how to do it. So it gives you a rest of mind Okay, that no matter what market wants, you want to dance a will look over, you will not shall raise that your essay, except it's going to change the trend. Okay, as it is now, where this essay is, anything that will make JPY come here, it can only be US election going negative. Okay, so let's go. If you are wondering how the US election take affect GBP JPY, you say GBP JPY is Great Britain, right? That's pounds, and you have JPY as Japanese yen, right? What do we call US? US is the world power currency, right? The reserved currency. So it has power. So it's kind of control every other pairs directly and indirectly. All right. Have anybody dropped what they know about the US? Let me check the chat. Okay, as I said, boss, all the JPY pairs tend to have the same structure. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Usman, say I want to remember you for your promise you did. Okay, I don't have been calling me since. All right, no problem. I'm taking note of that. Okay, let's see what Bernard Emmanuel said. We have it on the screen. Interest rates and inflation. The Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates will what impact the US dollar strength and consequently the Forex market. Okay, that is a good one. Thank you, Bernard. So we proceed. I'm coming to that. What's my time? 9:24. I said I was going, and I'm serious. I'm not going to take time. Yeah. Back to the higher time frame. We are still buying the market, right? So 4 hours, go back to 4 hours. All right. So based on what we're talking about, market came down here to retest that initial entry. So if you are swing trading, you are still in profit. Market came to retest here and start pushing up. But if you are day trading, you'll be stopped out. So that is why when you are day trading, you are targeting small profits. You understand? You are targeting the profit to an extent. You can't enter here with this kind of essay and expect market to ride up to your TP. You know, they work like that. It's not, it cannot work like that. That is why when you top down analysis is very important. You go to your higher time frame to what plot your SL and TP. You see what market just did here. We tested and boom. What kind of candle I see here? A bullish candle on the 4 hours time frame, right? An indecision candle. Only this bullish candle is enough. It has summarized every other time frame candlestick that we have on this support zone. Push. Look at market is currently here. What is going to happen to the market? Is it going to continue? Is it going to sell or is it going to buy? Okay. Go to lower time frame. 30 minutes. All right. We have this right here, right? I know some of you say something like this. You say, okay, market broke out of this place, this zone. It broke out, come up here, it don't. And this is where it is. All right, beautiful. So let's plot. We had a counter trend. All right. Market bought up to this place and it dropped down to this place. What do you think is going to happen? What is likely going to happen? Because now market expected here, 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 and this is where market is currently at. So what are we going to do? Let's go to 15 minutes time. All right. Okay. Market is currently on this level. So what I think market is going to do right here is I tell market to reverse and push up. That is what I tell market to do. But if it doesn't do that, where market is going to get to before it push up is this level. this demand level here. So if it doesn't react here, it will react here. So that is what I'm looking at for GPY to re-enter the trade. But basically, what is that? What are we looking at? The market is buying, right? It's doing a correction for the from the higher from long term here as analyzed. This is the chart for long term. The W was created. All these lessons are still there. I don't clean them. I explain this thing to you. You can find kind of W's. We have this. So look at our initial analysis, right? That's the market is still going to get here. Oh Jesus Christ. I'm too good, guys. I'm too good. Do you see where I drew this thing? This thing, I drew it up here to this line and said it will dump to this place and push up. Now, what happened? That is what happened here. Are we saying this? Let me remove this. Are we saying this? Markets push up to this zone and come down. Look at where I said, and it's going to push up. That is what happened here. It came to this zone. Are you saying it? It's a swing trade analysis that I did for you people there. Market will come here and retest backward to this place. And that's what happened here. And then guess what? It's going to push up to this place. Yeah. Now, is there going to be higher highs, higher lows along the way? Definitely. There will be, because you can't expect market to just fly up. To create ladder, higher high, higher lows. You understand? So that is it. Pull back our markets. So that is this for GBP, JPY. So back to you guys' charts. What do we have in this place? So I say my screen is blurred. Check your network. I've increased like this 127. You know, when I'm teaching, I don't see you guys. I don't see my screen. I don't see what's going on. So I have to click somewhere. This is fantastic. But not still good. You're supposed to be like 1K. You're supposed to have gotten there by now. Are you guys not doing your work? Are you not pushing FS Media? All right. Who is okay? So that is it for CHF JPY. I mean, just add one. GBJPY and CHF JPY. So I'm going to add one, which is, I think I saw something, but I'll just check it right here with you guys. UJPY, UGBP. I just saw something. Yeah, I don't like this UGBP personally. It's no like that. This market, based on the way I trade, though, if I don't have sense, the mentor for don't day village. I tell you, the people that trade it too, no problem. I'm talking about myself. You know, this market, the cocoa is do what works for you. As long as you're making money, no problem. If it's indicator that is making you money, fine. If it's price action that is making you money, fine. If it's support and resistance that is making you money, fine. The cocoa is, are you making money? Or you can just do analysis, money will come outside. And you now be the one arguing who is a fraud and who is not a fraud in Forex trading. They just want to flip account and lie, they use them. Are you making money? You're not making money, shut your mouth up and focus on making money. Okay. Someone is suggesting AXAU. I don't trust this UOJP. When I come on this life, there's this kind of thing I used to feel. Like, I just want to be teaching and be going because of a different category of students that have gone through FS Media or are going through FS Media, whichever that I just have like a reunion. And that's how I get to feel. That's why when I say, okay, I'm going to end the class, I'm going to be done. I'll not spend time today. Fine, it. I've used 1 hour plus. I just have this, you know, like a family matter, like reunion, like getting to see old faces, new faces, you know. But I'll try my best to be reducing it. We've not spent so much time in class, and I'm starting that today. Okay, gold has been buying. I have nothing to say about gold, so it's not everything that we're going to discuss. I have nothing to say about. Now, here's the thing. I won't say much about the effects the the no this okay. Sorry guys, I just noticed something. So I'm not going to say much about the US election, the effect it has on the forex markets. I'm not going to say, I'll just point out two things. Now, based on what Emmanuel said, interest rates, definitely, that is what it is. But here is the thing. We have two major people contesting, right? The Democratic and the other party. I don't even remember. We have Trump, we have Senator in Africa, I've written down there. Kampala. But the woman name Sha, that's you know. So those two people, when you listen to their is it debates that they call it what you know what I'm talking about? They talk about the plans they have for America. You get they talk about it, what they do, what they will do to improve the economical system. And the US dollar being a reserve currency and a world power currency as well, even though we have other currencies that are higher than dollar. Are you aware of that? I think Kuwait is higher than dollar. So we have currencies that are higher than dollars. If you don't know, go and Google it. But dollar is the world power currency, okay? A reserved currency. So Trump plans to reduce interest rates. I'll just summarize it. I'll not use big. Why the female contestant, I really call her. No, contestant, presidential contestant. Oh, candidate. That's not the correction of that candidate. Okay. So, the candidate, the woman candidate. Jesus. It's okay to laugh. You know, it's okay to laugh because I know that I'm going to make money from this US news. That's why I'm just laughing. Is that during election is an advantage to make money. The market is very volatile, so take note of that. Market is volatile. What do you need to do? Shine your eyes. Your eyes need to be very open with fundamentals. If you have not been marrying your charts, you have not been marrying fundamental. You don't even know what is my FSB. You see some person trading for 2 years, they don't even know my FSB. And they're wondering why they're failing. Okay. If you have not been marrying it before, marry it today. Okay? Marry it. Because based on what is going on, there are going to be a lot of changes in price. Your technicals may fail you. Be aware of that. It may fail you. So when you are trading, you trade with yours. I'm not saying you should trade with fear. Don't trade with fear. No. Your technicals may fail you at some points. Why? Because fundamentals will be dropping. Oil will have its own effect. Gold will have its own effect. The stock market, S&P 500 will have its own effect. Okay, so you got to be looking at the market. What we trade is Forex, we don't trade stocks, but you still put eyes on stocks. Okay, put eyes on stocks because these things they are related to each other. Forex, stocks, bonds, treasury, they are connected to each other. But here is the thing: not too much big grammar. What are you expected to do? We get used to your fundamentals. Where are you paying attention to? You're paying attention to now on your high impact news, where you're having more high impact news. Then I said your technicals may fail you. It may not always work. But what's going to help you is when you have your chart, you have your eyes on the news and on your chart here. Yeah, so that is it. And you trade with caution, basically. So that's what I have for you. So Kamala be Kampala. Kampala no be granite. Kampala is a type of granite.
No, one state, one country.
Kampala. Now you talk Kampala. Nah, they say Kamala for you. Abiamala. You should be Amala. Trump na way do that. Okay, are we going to trade the election news like CPI? No. The election news does not work like that. It does not work. So you could have market buying. This is what you're going to expect. You could have market buying according to your analysis, and all of a sudden, poof, you start to sell. You wonder what's going on. It is not market makers thing. It is the news. Gold can gain value. Gold can dump. US dollar can gain strength or reduce strength at any time. So, summary of the matter is this is a sensitive period. Another advantage to it is that you're going to make a lot of money this period. But you have to have this information at the front of your mind. I'm not telling you that you should be scared or don't trade at all. No, you trade, you normal. You trade, you are expected to trade. It's an opportunity to make more money. Those of us in foreign traders, there'll be more signals by the grace of God. But the point here is get married to your chance and the fundamental. Yeah, that is the point. That's what I'm going to say. I'll not say the remaining ones. Okay. Yeah, so that is it. I think that will be all for tonight. Yeah. Thank you very much. You just reminded me. We need to check out fundamental.
Some Tuesday and Thursday.
I don't know, I said boss it too funny. Let me check fundamental. Let's go. Okay. Monday. Unemployment rate, okay. Manufacturing. We're having bond auctions. See, I told you guys that I'll be having amazing news. Things stopping. Okay. NZD, okay. Euro. Thursday. That is okay. GBP. All right. Jobless claim. Fed interest rates. So you see more interest rate, bond, reserves. Card. All right. So every day of this week is important in your fundamental. So open your eyes in that place. If you notice, I don't go deep inside fundamental, but it's a free lesson. It's not a master class. Sylvester said, FX media to the world, mentor you too good. Thank you very much for that. All right. So if you've not gotten a TENTRADE account, sign up in the description below. You see it after the video. Then use the promo code FS Media 28 in small letter. Get an account for yourself, or fund traditionally reasonable money to trade. So you and send me a proof so you can be added to the funded traders room. Funded traders room is where we drop signals, setups, communicate one or two. Okay, so if you haven't done that, if you haven't done what I asked you to do, you do that ASAP. The year is running out. About Naira to dollar, Naira has gotten to its all-time low, and it's going to go lower. Yes, the more it goes lower, the more expenditure increases. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. So what's the point now? Be serious with the Forex with it. Be serious. Be earning in dollars. Because Naira is losing value. For every money you keep in Naira loses value every day. Every day. Loses value. Crazy one. So be wise. Be smart. Okay? So boss, where can we reach you to send food? You can text me on Instagram. David Dumoye 28. I told you guys that my WhatsApp is crowded at the time. So if you send me a message on WhatsApp, I'm not responding in a couple of hours. You can actually send me a message on Instagram. And please, when you are greeting or introducing yourself, just after I do that, just go straight to the point. Don't be waiting for me to answer your good evening. You see some person send me good evening. The next day, good morning, good afternoon, hi boss, question mark, full stop, different days. Oh. Then the final one is, boss, I've been sending you a message. You did not answer me. Why did I open the message? This is what I just nothing. You are just greeting me since. All right. Chibike, if your eye is opening very well, you'd have seen that I drop a message on the group. All right. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I think we're done for today. I mean, the afternoon is up to 1 hour. Yeah, I'm getting better at it, but we don't spend longer time. Because the boss, no, because you too be so. I mean, I know that's how it's they talk. All right, winner, I remember you. All right, so that is it for tonight. Do have a lovely week. Yeah, stay safe. Make sure you pray every morning. I know people are used to this character of every morning. The first thing that they rush out to do is to pick up their phones, check WhatsApp or something, or check trade. I said something, you know, go like pray first, so you go know whether they talk. Maybe you go wake up dumb, you don't know. You just the press phone for hours, press enter 10 a.m. You can't come outside with your soured mouth. You won't come try greet person. You going, okay, I'm not saying that any of you be dumb, but here's my point. My point is that don't be too quick to rush and pick up your phone. Pray. Except a babalawo or a mamalawo. Pray first before you prayer sets your day. It arranges your day very well for you, okay? Before you start every other thing that you need to do. Okay? Yeah, that is it, guys. What do you let me just read one or two of it? Okay, I'm not saying something cool. So get married to your chat. That's deep, but yeah, get married to your chat. So I was saying that you do have a lovely week, right? Yeah, stay safe, keep practicing, keep getting better, keep acquiring knowledge. If you've not started making profits, all right, keep pushing, keep doing the right thing. The profit is gonna come. It's never gonna come. So if you're in your process of learning, please do it the right way. Don't do it bang. Don't do it bang. Okay? Don't do it bang. I know what I'm saying. So you're not struggling. So which one be Mama Lawe again? Hey, again, Mama Lawe, I don't know before. All right, guys. You see, I'm just comfortable. I'm comfortable because, like I said, that's if I'm with the family. You know, there's this comfort. Yeah, getting to see faces and your comments. All right, guys. So I'm gonna stop here. Yeah, final stop. Thank you so much. Do have a lovely week. Bye.